Hey everybody, I thought today it would be fun to clean up my master bedroom and master bathroom. It's not really dirty, it's just clutter everywhere and there's laundry piled up all over everything from where I've done so many loads of laundry. So if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subscribers. So we're starting off this video by putting up all of this clean laundry. These are just clothes that I've brought in out of my laundry room that I'm folding or laying to the side to hang up. I'm also going to go ahead and apologize because I'm singing and dancing through this whole video and I am so sorry. I was listening to Lizzo in the background, and how can you not dance and sing along to Lizzo? So now we're in front of my dresser and I'm just putting up all of my clothes. Pretty much everything that's black in that pile is mine. Like when I go to open up this second drawer here in just a second, literally everything in it is black. It's my favorite color. This feels so weird because you guys have never really seen my bedroom since I've had the house remodeled and painted and everything, so it just kind of feels weird, but have fun. I'm organizing James's top drawer. It just has his socks and underwear and undershirts in it for work, and he always jumbles it up. I don't even understand it, but that's what we're doing. Also, I'm gonna apologize for this dance move. Yeah, I'm sorry. So now we're just hanging up all of these clothes, and here in a second you'll see inside of my closet for the first time. This is my Jeffree Star shirt from my summer 2019 mystery box. I've been thinking about doing an update video on if I really think that box was worth it and what products I like and don't like out of it. So let me know down in the comments if that's something you guys would like to see. So this is our walk-in closet. Obviously this longer side that's completely filled with clothes is my side, and the other side kind of looks empty, but it's James's clothes. Most of his clothes end up folded because he really just wears t-shirts and basketball shorts, or he wears his uniform. So I also keep a bottle of Febreze in our closet. Just every so often I like to go in and spray everything in there just so it stays fresh. Because obviously I don't wear all of these clothes all of the time, so. If you've watched any of my other videos, then you know I'm obsessed with marble. It is a serious problem, so of course I have marble sheets. This set is from Amazon and it was actually really inexpensive, and I have a thicker mattress and my fitted sheet actually stays on and doesn't pop off. So I really like these. I'll link them down below in the description box for you guys in case you want to check them out yourselves. We also don't like using a really big thick comforter. These are just fleece blankets. I think this one's from Walmart. I have a pink one and a gray one. They're super soft and we like them way better than a full-size comforter. And also, I'm a sociopath, so I have a ton of pillows. When we moved, James actually convinced me to get rid of a few of them. I used to have, I don't know, probably 12 actual pillows and 6 or 7 throw pillows. So I've gotten it down to 5 regular pillows and then just 2 throw pillows. So now I'm getting everything off of the floor and off of Ellie's little dresser over here that is so cluttered it's unreal, and setting it on the bed. She just went up a size in clothes, so I have to go through. I already got all of her old clothes that don't fit anymore out, but I have to go through and put all of her new ones in. So she's super spoiled. That entire dresser is always full. That big pink box that I just knocked over is her little bow box. This is just until her nursery is done. I think I'm going to try a different type of organizing for her bows. There's Sorcerer's Stone and Harry Potter. I'm breeding that to Ellie, and random packs of diapers, wipes everywhere. Just the craziest stuff got piled on top of that. She probably has well over 100 bows by now. So, and I keep buying more. I think there are some on the way right now, actually. So this is one of the outfits that she currently fits in, but she's already worn it, and she has so many clothes that I try to make sure she wears everything one time before she, re-wears anything. So I always set those to the side. Now I'm just refolding everything. These have all already been washed. I just didn't put them up. I'm also setting aside what actually doesn't fit her anymore that I missed, and anything that needs to be washed, like bibs and stuff. So this top drawer is where her pajamas and like onesies go. So I also just have some of her keepsakes in the bottom of that drawer. So this is definitely not all. She just went up to 6 to 9 month clothes, and this is definitely not all of it. This is just what is cleaned already. I have an entire basket and like 2 boxes to wash and put up as well. That drawer, I'm sure, will actually end up being completely full again because it was like barely closing when I cleaned out everything that doesn't fit her anymore. So I just have to refill it with all of her new clothes. This second drawer holds all of her shorts, dresses, and pants, but I live in the South, so I'm recording this on Saturday night, and Monday it is supposed to actually be over 100, so she doesn't have that many pants. It's really just, I think, a few pairs. Most of it is shorts, which is what I'm putting up right now. She also has a tutu. And then this bottom drawer is just filled with all of her shoes. She has ridiculously tiny feet. She's going to be 8 months old in about 2 weeks, and she wears 0 to 3 months shoes and just now got to where she could wear those. So my family went a little crazy and bought her a ton of shoes, and some of them still don't fit. They're still way too big. So I just have them all in this bottom drawer so I can see them easier and pick out exactly what I want her to wear. Those are just her swim diapers that she clearly does not wear a lot, so I'm just going to put them up. Those are all dirty clothes, and she has little pacifier clips that I'm just taking the pacifier off of so I can wash them. So this is a full shot of Ellie's little dresser. This is where all of her like lotions and stuff stay, and then of course I have her bow box up there above all of her clothes so I can just pick an outfit out really quickly. I also keep wipes and a few diapers over there just so if she wakes up in the middle of the night I can just put her in the bed with me and change her diaper and go right back to sleep. Now we're over in the corner of my room by my big dresser with my TV on it. This is where I keep the rest of her diapers, and her pack and play is over here. She actually just started being able to pull herself up to sitting, so I need to take this top part out of her pack and play so she won't fall out of it. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'll also link the pack and play she has. It is so cute, but now that James and I are talking about having a second baby when I get done with school, I really wish I would have gotten a more gender neutral one other than hot pink, so I'll link it down below either way. So that is just the top part of her pack and play. Just disconnecting it and folding it up and putting it in the little bag, travel bag I guess that it comes with, and I'm going to put that under my bed for when we take the whole pack and play down. That is a really big mirror it has like beveled edges and everything, and it's super fragile. I have it wrapped in an old quilt of mine, but I don't know where I want to put it just yet, so I'm going to wrap it back up and put it under my bed until I decide. I definitely didn't notice while I was actually doing this, but the other side of my bed is so uneven, so I think I end up fixing it eventually. So this is my little makeup corner, my filming area that you guys don't get to see. This is what I face while I'm filming normally, and it gets positively disgusting, especially when I'm pre-filming like I am right now. So I'm just putting up all of these products out of this little bin. I use that bin to set things aside so I can link them down below and not forget. So I'm just putting all of that back up. That little notebook I just threw aside is my little YouTube notebook that has all my filming ideas and the random things for YouTube in it. I always keep a little towel over on my desk, and I also keep a marble desk mat, and I'm taking them both off so I can clean them because they're obviously gross all of the time. Once again, sorry for the dancing. So now we're into my bathroom, which is actually not that dirty. It's really just my vanity that looks atrocious. Like, I don't even have an excuse as to why it looks like this. I'm just really bad about throwing stuff down and walking away. I'm a slob. At least I clean up eventually. So what I'm doing right now is just setting all of my hair and skincare products that I use in this bathroom over to the side. And then I have two little candle holders, I actually think is what they are. They're from the Dollar Tree. They're super cute. And I just keep Q-tips in one and like hair ties, bobby pins, and my brush in the other. I normally have my hair dryer put up and underneath my sink, as well as the diffuser for when my hair is curly. And then I have this really cool little hot tool stand. I don't really know. My stepmother gave it to me, and it's super handy to hold my curling iron and my flat iron. I have double sinks in here, but James doesn't use this bathroom. It's only mine, so that left-sided sink just gets filled with random stuff. And you might have noticed we don't have a medicine cabinet, so this is just a really big closet, and I just have a little shelf in it, and I call it my beauty closet because, like, most of it is hair, skincare products. Like, a few of our medicines and stuff are in it, and, like, James's beard trimming kit is in there, but most of it's mine. I bought the double pack of Q-tips, and I was really struggling to open both of them. I also keep my little Estee Lauder, I think it's called like the soft pack or something like that. It's just a little train case. I keep it in there. I also keep random things for the house in the back of that closet, and my towels are at the top of it on the little shelf because there's just really not a lot of storage in this house. I am so sorry for that wonky ass camera change. So those are all the dirty clothes that I'm just going to step out and put in my hamper, and then these are all hangers that need to go back into my closet. Our power drill was setting out on Ellie's dresser. Thank God she's not walking yet. So I'm pretty much just getting everything off of my bed, and then this is everything cleaned up and organized. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like I said, give it a big thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you all in the next one. Thank you for watching.